We start by carefully peeling away the skin on one side of a fresh mango. Then, use a sharp knife to cut away the outer cheeks of the fruit. Then, cut the chunks into small, bite-sized pieces. You'll need about 2 cups of mango chunks, which is usually from 2 medium mangoes. Transfer to a large bowl. Next, add 1 red bell pepper that has been seeded and chopped, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, 1 seeded and chopped jalapeno pepper, 2 cloves of garlic that have been minced, a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, the juice from 1 orange, which is about 2 tablespoons, the juice from 2 limes, which is about 2 tablespoons. Add a healthy pinch of salt and stir it all together with a wooden spatula until fully combined. Serve at once or chill for up to 3 days.